So we've just completed our first public lecture on the MOLE concept, basic level. And I'm so grateful, I'm so happy at the response and the turnout. Thank you all so much for your support. And I'm also very, very happy to find that most of you can now understand the basics behind MOLE concept. And now I'm sure when you bring this back with you into your school classes, you'll be able to attempt the most basic questions with no problem at all. And always remember what I say. If you bring your basic knowledge together with you into your class in school, you should be able to also extrapolate it and attempt the intermediate questions with not much problems at all as well. I will now be in the process of planning for Maths Lecture Part 2. And the Part 2 will therefore be touching on the intermediate to advanced concepts that will govern the higher mark essay and structured questions on MOLE concepts. Trust me, you will need to hear this. And so I hope all of you, if you find the first series of lecture helpful to you and that it actually did help you with understanding and help you with the attempt of your questions, then do keep your eye out at this channel, wait for us, and when my lectures are ready, I'll post it, and then I hope to see you guys at the second lecture. Thank you all so much for your support.